Salut! Parlons pour parler, là. Simon, tu veux une salle de bain, là? Tu veux faire un flip, là? Eh ben, t'as ta douche. C'est pas la première fois que j'en installe une, mais celle-là, c'est une des plus belles que j'ai jamais vues. Là, les médecins ils ont dit que vous avez besoin de vous masser les pieds et vous asseoir lors de votre douche parce que vous êtes fatigué. La journée de travail est finie, on est fatigué, on range ça tranquillement, on rentre à la maison. Un instant. Là, ouais, pas de feuille, pas de l'autre bord. Là, ça, là, vous avez votre port USB. Vous pouvez mettre votre petit USB là-dedans, là. Ça fonctionne. Il y a Wi-Fi. Computer balance, ça change de couleur. Vous avez votre radio. Vous pensez design, là. Vous pensez design, là. Aujourd'hui, là, c'est plus comme avant. Quand on prend sa douche, là, les médecins disent qu'on doit pouvoir s'asseoir pour se reposer. Relaxer nos pieds. Ben, c'est important de choisir une douche qui a du design, mais surtout qui a une fonction. Masser les pieds, une douche, c'est important. Nowadays, with the home staging interior architecture, you can't just have a regular bathtub. You need to have design, Bluetooth, USB port, jets on each side, and most definitely, massage for the feet. Be able to sit down after work because the doctor says when you finish working, you're tired, you need to relax. That's the same model I suggest for you guys to pick up for the basement. And for the master bedroom, you can have the small jacuzzi, or you can have the small jacuzzi adjacent to a shower. And once again, you have the Bluetooth, the USB port, the little radio, and a very good merchandise. I'll activate by remote control. And you also have your regular shower if you want to take a shower alone. And you also have the jets that comes from the top. You can be alone or two people. And it comes with a beautiful jacuzzi with a headrest on each side.
And jets for the back.
And you have the jets from the back. You're live at the manufacturer. You get the information straight from the man.
So,
And you have the sauna. If you decided to have a small sauna here, you have your little sauna.
jacuzzi system
Jacuzzi system
with LED also.
with LED also inside. Listen, guys, it's up to you. You tell me if you want to have a full bathroom, but I suggest that this should be in the master bedroom, and this should be downstairs with the other shower. You let us know. There'll be plenty more models to show, but this is what we have in the showroom as of now. Thank you very much. See you guys soon. Next episode.